Take 3. Choosing copy on the Xerox 5335 is as easy as choosing copy. We have our reduce and large options, our paper supply options. Notice there's only 3 trays, so if we choose more, we actually can see all 5 of our paper trays on this particular configuration. As well as we have our two-sided copying options, where we can choose 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 2-to-2, and 2-to-1. So we have several options for two-sided copying here. Then we have our copy output options, where we can choose collated staple or even collated and 2 staple. Under image quality, we can choose our original type. I want this one to be photo and text. As well as we can choose our image options, where we can say lighten and darken here, so we can easily just press and slide, as well as for our sharpness, so we can go sharper or softer. Choose save. Background suppression is turned on by default, but if you would like to turn it off, it's easy, just choose to off and save. Layout adjustments give us the ability to do a book copy. So I can say on, and when I turn on book copying, I can put my document or my book right on the glass. It will scan through to pick out the different pages. So I can say, okay, I want both pages on this document. It will spit out page 1, the left page, and page 2 as the right page. I can also independently choose left page only or right page only. The left and right pages are the orientation in which you are holding the book. The machine realizes that you flipped it over, put it on the glass, so it's taken all that out of the equation so that you only have to choose the left page or the right page as you hold that book. Go back here. We also have a two-sided book copying option so that you can copy several sides of a book. If you want to try to build several pages together, two-sided book copying. We also have original size. With our original size, we can choose a mixed size original, so that if you're copying a letter and a legal size document with multiple page size variables, the machine itself will pick the correct corresponding paper tray so that the output is the same as the originals. Edge erase. With the edge erase option, I can go down here, choose individual edge, and be able to remove, let's say, if I move ½ an inch from the left hand side, it allows me to cut off anything with hole punches on the left hand side. Or if I printed something out off the internet and I don't want the URL, I can come up from the bottom up to 2 inches on any side and have it cut completely off. Same as if I'm maybe copying a fax and I don't want that fax header information of the phone number in which it came from to be left on the document. I can come down from the top and have it cut off. I'm going to choose save. Image shift options. We can have an image shift option so when the original was printed or copied from someone else and it's no longer centered on the document, we can say auto center so it centers itself. Maybe it's a little too far to the left or the right. We also can do a margin shift. If your document needs to be moved over a little bit so that you can hole punch it without cutting off any of the text, we can image shift it to the right or the left a little bit to make it easy for you to hole punch it afterwards. We also have invert image options where we can mirror the image so all the text is backwards, as well as we can do a negative image as well where black is white and white is black. Output format. I'm going to clear all here so we can get our output format freshly. We have booklet creation options here where I can turn it on, and essentially with booklet creation I can load up 4 original documents in our document feeder, and with the booklet creator it will give me 1 or 2 page output that can be folded so that as I put the documents in the document feeder, page 1, 2, 3, 4 will easily be, when folded, page 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you have a nice handout that only used 1 piece of paper. We also can use annotations where I can put a comment, choose it on. This one I created one called Demo, but I can easily edit that. So let's say 5335. Save. So now I can position this onto the bottom center, top center, center, anywhere on that document that I want here. I can also change the apply to first page only, all pages except first. And I can either save, and I can also choose date, allowing it to be positioned on first page only, all pages, or all pages except for first, as well as position top left, top center, top right, bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right. I can also do a page number on this, and you can pick your starting page. It doesn't have to be one. I also have the option of all pages or all pages except for first, as well as the position on the paper. We also have an option for ID card copy. ID card copy allows us to copy an ID card or health insurance card by putting the original in the top left hand corner, pressing start, and the machine will ask us to flip it over and press start again, therefore allowing us to print both sides of an ID card on one piece of paper. And that's copying for the 5335.